this is the Alphaluxy Plasma Pen, and before I even say anything, I think you can tell just by how amazing my complexion looks. I've been using this over the past couple of weeks and I just love what it has done. It's tightened my skin around my eyes, my complexion is glowing, and my hyperpigmentation I had around my chin from years of acne has really started to fade. I feel like a complete brand new woman again. I no longer have teenage looking skin. Inside the box you have the pen, you have the USB charger, and you have the needles and the attachments. If you are trying to target larger areas of the face, then use the pencil looking end. It's really easy. You put it into the end of the plasma pen and you screw that on clockwise. Like that. And you press the on button up here, hold it for 3 to 4 seconds and you'll see a little light pops up. And this is where you can adjust how strong the plasma pen is. It's best that you start with a 1 or a 2 when you first start using it, and then you can build it up. So you literally press the plus or the minus button to go up or down. And then when you have chosen the correct setting, all you do is press the bottom button like this when you want to apply the plasma pen, and then you take your finger off the button and the charge will stop. The Alphaluxy also comes with these type of needles too. So these are very, very small. And these types of needles are perfect for doing that finer detailing, and also it makes it a lot less painful to use as well. You take the end of the needle and you slide it into the pinwheel. And then place this into the end of the pen. And again, screw it clockwise. And same as before, choose your setting and then apply it to the face in the areas that you need a little bit of improvement. The Alphaluxy pen actually is what you would find in the salons, and it uses the same technology, but also it's a lot cheaper and it's safe to use at home. If you've ever had any laser treatment or any form of acid peels, you will know the treatment's actually really painful and very invasive, and it takes a couple of days to actually go out into the public eye because you have a red face or little scarring patches for a long time. But with this, it's so discreet that no one would know that you're having your at-home spa treatment. It's actually a fantastic alternative to Botox as it starts to tighten up those fine lines, and as you start applying it, give it about 2 to 4 weeks and you will see some amazing results. The biggest benefit of using this pen means I don't have to wear as much makeup because, as you can see, I have a nice glow. I have hardly any makeup on apart from around the eye area, and no one knows because I have nice, tight, glowy, fresh looking skin, which makes this ideal when it's really hot temperatures or if you're going on holiday. You can pack light and you still look and feel beautiful. Whenever you do apply, it can take about 5 to 7 days to fully heal that area, so you don't want to be going over every other day. You want to give your skin that chance to actually breathe and to repair and heal itself. And you're probably asking, well, does it hurt? And honestly, it's like a tiny, tiny little scratch, but you really don't feel anything. And you don't get any lasting redness, and you can go and just get on with life as soon as you have done your little treatment in the morning or the evening. And if you're wondering, this is safe to use at home because this is exactly the type of thing that you will see in the dermatology offices of what they're using on patients. So not only is this brilliant to use on hyperpigmentation if you've suffered with acne for years like I have, you can use it to tighten up the skin, boost the collagen and get rid of those fine lines near the eye area, but also you can use it on skin tags as well, which this is a brilliant product and I recommend you go out and get one.